Hello everyone, hope you are having a great day. In this video, you will learn about structure reference in Excel. So here you can see I have two set of data. This one, number one, this one, and number two, this one.
First, I will tell you about analysis in a range without structure reference. For example, if I want to multiply two quantities,
enter equal to, select column, enter multiply, select other column, press enter. Here you have to drag the formula down to all columns. You see, the columns are also not named Q2 and P2, which make it very inconvenient to use for large data set. For structure reference, first you have to make the table. So click in the range and you have to make sure that your table has header. Click OK. So here our table has been generated. For generating table, watch my previous video. The link is given in the description.
Let's start the analysis. Click in cell F2, enter equal to, select E2, which is referred as total published article now. As I want to subtract, enter subtract. D2, which you can see is referred as published article in 2022. Press enter.
You have noticed that the formula is copied down the column.
This is how structure reference works.
This is published article in 2022, my column D name, and this total published article, the name of column E.
And it is very convenient to use structure reference for data analysis. This was all about today's video. Hope you liked the video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel.